room for inspectors so they can understand how to use thermal imaging cameras in identifying common defects like found on a home inspection.
Right.
For example, let's look at this house. See this fine craftsmanship right here.
Right.
Now, let me say, home inspector, can you see the water?
No, I cannot.
You can't. No, come on. Now, the audience, you guys got to look in here. You see it, right? Is it right here? Right here? Right here. Well, let's put a camera on and let's see what we can see.
It's to the left of the window.
Oh my God. See? There are things that you cannot see on a home inspection.
That's
so
correct.
the opportunity. Now, let's say you were to do commercial inspections. All right? Do you do commercial inspections?
Some, not a whole lot, but some.
You like to do more, right?
Right.
All right. So it's all about making money. So when we look at a commercial roof, this is called a modified bitumen roof.
Okay.
Now, one of the things about these types of roofs is they typically have insulation below them. Well, during the day, the sun heats it up, and at night, the roof cools down.
Okay.
But there's a problem in this roof.
Uh-oh.
Problem.
I can't see it, though.
You can't. So we're going to look for something like this. All right, see this picture? We're going to look for an infrared picture that looks like that. So let's go. Look at that. We all of a sudden see these patterns. See my finger right there?
Yeah.
It says right there. Okay? Now, what happens is when insulation becomes wet, it maintains heat longer.
Right.
So we go do these inspections at night. Now, I'm going to tell you, the minimum I go out the door for on a commercial roofing inspection is about $1,600.
Wow.
That takes me about an hour to do that job, just to give you an idea.
Nice.
But they want me to work at night. So, anyways, if you got some horses where you're at, you know, and your horse just ain't working the same, look, we can see broken legs. He's got a broken back.
You know, after I saw your class, Peter, and I have infrared at home, and my father-in-law had been having problems with his knees, and I went to him because I didn't know which knee it was.
Yeah.
And he said one of his knees is bothering him. I said, don't tell me which one it is, and I could tell because it was. I said, is that what it is? Because you could see that it was all inflamed and it was a lot hotter.
Were you practicing medicine? Man, how about
no? But I did stay at a Holiday Inn. I took Peter's class, so
that's all you need.
Yeah, there you go.
You're certified.
There you go.
All right, so we have mechanical displays. You can see things like bearing failures. We can measure HVAC systems seen when we've got air balancing, heating and cooling. Another cool thing is sewer inspections. This is a new training course that we developed for home inspectors called Sewer Scan. And we're showing you how to add revenue. This is about a 35% increase in your home inspection revenue by incorporating sewer inspections to your business. So we've got a 16-foot sewer pipe through here with every type of sewer pipe, and we'll show you what kinds of things you'll see when doing that.
Okay.
So we got some drafty house and missing insulation.
Right.
How are you going to find that? Any ideas?
I'd say infrared would be my guess.
All right, well, let's go with that. Let's take a look. Hey, look at this. This window right here, man, it's leaking like a sieve, and only can we see that with an infrared camera.
Right.
Look at that. See, this is missing insulation. It's right here, but you can't see that without the aid of predator vision. You want to make sure you got that.
Right.
So, but another big opportunity for home inspectors is electrical systems and finding when you got fuse failures. Let's just say air conditioning. I'm just kidding. Air conditioning. We got panels. We can start to see. This is actually a live panel. That's why the cover's not off. But when you start seeing things like this, you're probably suspect for a problem.
Awesome.
So, what ultimately this thing is an opportunity for inspectors to learn how to use technology like this. If you're in an area, wherever you are in this country, we're on a tour. We're going to be doing 43 city tour with this trailer, and if it's something you're interested in us coming to your local chapter or area, just give me a call. You can contact United Infrared at 888-722-6447.
Awesome. Peter, what's the website?
It's www. Do we have to say that anymore?
I don't know.
It's just unitedinfrared.com.
Awesome.